Hi, everyone. This is Sarah Weidman with the Stressless Student, and I'm curious to know if you have ever struggled with how do I study for a math test? So, just the other day, I was working with a student and I asked him if he had any upcoming quizzes or tests. And it turned out that he had an upcoming history quiz and an upcoming calc test. And I asked him, okay, so which one are you feeling more insecure about? Because we had time to look at one. And he said, oh, definitely the calc test. And I said, okay, what are you nervous about? And he said, well, I do the homework and it seems to be okay, but then I get to the test and I just don't know. So I'm going to pause here and give you a possibly hypothetical situation. So, have you ever sung your favorite song in the shower or hummed it to yourself and you are so sure that you know the words to your favorite song? And then you maybe decide that you're going to sing this song at a karaoke party with a bunch of your friends, and you realize, oh my God, I actually don't know the words at all. So maybe it, if you cared about this karaoke song and really wanted to perform, you would have looked up the words, or I would have looked up the words and practiced them before getting to the parties so that I actually knew if I knew the words and then could practice what I didn't, right? So, similarly, when you are studying for a math test, we actually want you to practice the problems that are going to be on the test so that you actually know what you know and don't know. So, here's a really simple way to do that. Okay. So, first, I want you to pull out last night's homework or yesterday's classwork. Okay. Two, find the problems you answered incorrectly. And three, either do those problems again, or if you can find problems that have a similar concept and have the answers, do those. Now, here's the important thing. When you do those problems again, I want you to do it with your notes in front of you. And I want you to do it even if you just missed one step. And the reason for the first one is I want you to do it with your notes in front of you so that you make sure that you know what to do and what you did wrong. And the reason I want you to do it again, even if you just missed a step and you're like, oh no, I totally know what I did wrong, which was the case of this one student. He just missed one step. I said to him, but when you stop and do that problem again, you're one, training your brain to catch the mistake, and then two, you're training your brain to correct the mistake so it doesn't happen again. And then the fourth step is I want you to then do that problem again, or again, a problem that's similar in concept without looking at your notes so that you can create conditions that would be similar to your test. So, if you have any questions about how to study for math or other subjects, or you have tips and suggestions for how to study for math, or you have any embarrassing karaoke stories that you would like to share with me, I'd love to hear from you. All right, take care.